So this is some kind of intervention, right? I'm supposed to tell you how I feel, and that's supposed to make me feel better. And stop coming to me and telling me things like, God knows best. All things work out for good, and this is the one. This is the one. This is the one that gets me every time. God needed another little angel. God needed another little angel. I needed my angel. I need my angel. Now he's gone. He's gone. And me telling you how I feel is not going to make anything better. Okay? Because you guys are so concerned, right? Because I'm all gloomy doomy. I can't walk around and be happy. I'm trying. I can't walk around and pretend like every day, every single day, my heart isn't breaking. My heart isn't breaking because I'll never see him again. And I don't know how to live. I understand that. Maybe you can tell me that. And it's my fault. It's my fault. He should have had his seatbelt on, He should have had his seatbelt on. Don't tell me, please. And I just get angry, because I was in the right of way. I had the light. And this truck comes out of nowhere and he hits the side that my baby is on. And he's only 2. And I am crying. I am crying. And then I don't hear any crying anymore. Then I didn't hear any more crying. And I couldn't move. But I kept saying his name. Samuel. Samuel. I'm here, baby. And I prayed. I said, please, God, please, God, please, God, please. If you can please help me this one time, I said, please. I couldn't hear him anymore. And then I could hear the paramedics, and they just said he didn't have a seatbelt on. He didn't have a seatbelt on. So, me telling you how I feel, I don't want to feel anything. That's why I'm not ashamed that I have to do drugs. And I understand everyone wants to save me, but life doesn't matter anymore. Nothing matters. Nothing matters because my angel is gone. Everything before it's gone. So I don't want to talk anymore. Because this doesn't make me feel better. Okay? Just give me some time. Give me some time. Please.